Welcome to a deep dive into C++ programming using Qt. Today we're going to build a classic number guessing game. This project is perfect for C++ enthusiasts, anyone wanting to understand core concepts like variables, loops, and conditional logic. I'll break down every line of code, from including headers to the final game over message. By the end, you'll not only have a working game, but also a strong foundation for your C++ journey. Let's get started. Every C++ program starts with header files. Think of them as important libraries. So importing a library like #include iostream is our communication hub. It handles all input and output, letting us display messages and read user guesses. For a truly random game, we need to include cst_lib and ctime. The cst_lib library gives us the rand function. It'll generate random numbers, and the ctime provides the time function, which is essential for seeding our random number generator. Inside the main function, the line srand time 0 is crucial. The srand function seeds the random number generator using the current time. This ensures a different secret number every time you play. We also set up our game's parameters using the const int variables. These are going to be used for guessing the range between 1 and 100, and the maximum number of attempts will be 10. This makes the code readable and easy to modify. Now for the fun part, generating the secret number. Let's declare an integer value, secret end number. Let's assign it a random value. Now the value will be using this formula. The rand function gives us a large random integer, and the modulo operator restricts the number to our desired range. For example, rand %100 would give a random number between 0 and 99. By adding 1 and using our constant values, we ensure the number falls perfectly between 1 and 100. This is a common C++ random number generator technique. The program greets the users and explains the rules. Then, the game's core logic is powered for a for loop. This loop is set to run for a maximum of 10 attempts. Inside the loop, the program prompts the player for a guess, using stdcout, and reads their input using stdcn. The magic happens with our if-else statements. The first if statement checks if the guess is too high. The else if checks if it's too low. If neither of those is true, the else block executes, meaning the player guessed correctly. When the correct answer is found, we use the break statement, which immediately exits the loop. This is the efficient way to stop the game once the objective is met. After the loop, we have one final if statement to handle the game's conclusion. This block only runs if the player has used all the attempts without guessing the correct number. It checks if the guess is not equal to the secret number. If it's true, it prints a message revealing the correct number. Finally, return 0. This signals that our program is run successfully. You've just built a fully functional C++ game. Feel free to customize the code. Try adding some more difficulty levels or tracking the number of guesses. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more C++ programming tutorials.